Hi there. Welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. If you're tired of watching crime dramas, suspense stories, mysteries, and are looking for a change, then I have something different for you today. Today, the series that I'm going to review is a relationship drama with sports as a backdrop. The series is called Spinning Out. It's available on Netflix and it stars Kaya Scodelario. You'll remember her from the Maze Runner trilogy of movies. She was in that. So the series actually is about the sport of figure skating, which is a fascinating sport which is not very popular in India, and in particular we do not have too much of viewership or knowledge about it. So it talks about how that sport is, and you get to see some fascinating things figure skaters do, and how fascinating that sport is, and the different kind of disciplines that they do. It is beautifully captured, very, very nicely done. But more than that, is actually a relationship drama between the mother and daughters, and of course there are other people who are around them in the series. And it explores relationships in multiple dimensions, right? So one of the relationship that is explored is about the parental pressure that the children feel in participating in this sport. So there are these children who are actually learning this sport and want to participate, and they are very passionate about it. They want to succeed. They want to go to the state level competitions. They want to win the nationals. They want to go and represent the country in the Olympics. And that dream becomes all too consuming. And but that dream is not met, it affects them. It breaks them down, and it affects the relationship with their friends and family. Is something which is very nicely captured. It talks about how parents, when they are not able to fulfill their ambitions, it affects their children. So here is this mother who actually wanted to be a figure skater, but then she could not do that. She got pregnant with her elder daughter, and she resents the elder daughter because of that. More so, she wanted the elder daughter to succeed where she could not, but in one of the disciplines, she gets a serious fall. She injures herself very badly, and the trauma of that injury affects her performance from then on, and she's not able to succeed. So that is something that the mother is not able to accept, and she resents the elder daughter because of that. And now she is looking at the younger daughter to fulfill her ambition. So the younger daughter is feeling a lot more pressure from her mother, from her elder sister, to perform in the sport and outshine them and succeed where they could not. So that is very nicely captured in the series. The series also captures a very important aspect that is now being spoken about more and more, and it requires more and more discussion, more and more support. It's about the mental illness part of it. So the mother suffers from bipolar disorder, and so does the elder daughter. So it affects their relationship, it affects their behavior with people around them. It talks about how people with this illness struggle to describe the illness to their friends and families, because they fear if they tell them about it, they will not be treated right by them. So they fear that. But it does affect their relationships, it affects them. So those aspects are very, very nicely done, and very, very nicely captured in the series. Overall, I think it's a good watch. It is something that you can check it out if you're looking for a change. And more importantly, I'm sure as you see the series, you will be touched about some of the aspects of relationship that is shown in this series. In terms of the performances, all the actors have done a good job. Kaya obviously is the star of the series, but even others have acted decently well. And more so, the setup, I think it's actually in the state of Idaho. It's all snow around it. Very, very beautifully captured the snow covered hills where they do skiing, and the ski rink. And so it's all nice white, with all colorful costumes that they wear during figure skating and all. So that would be something interesting to see. Overall, a decent watch. Go do check it out over a weekend. Thank you for watching my review. Thank you for sharing your feedback and loving it. I appreciate your subscription. Please do subscribe and share with your friends and family. I look forward to bringing more reviews to you. Keep watching whatever you're watching. Stay happy. Till next time. Bye-bye.